Buyers of the Stocklear platform, I am very happy to meet you today for a live broadcast from Liers in the north of France to present a lot from Groover. So Groover is a German retailer specialized in renting high-tech products to individuals. The products are rented between 0 and 5 years, on average 2 to 3 years. You have different qualities ranging from new with original packaging to non-functional, including functional used items. For these products, it's important to note the quality of the little blue bubble, which explains the definition of the product's quality. Make sure to download the Excel file as well in the offer to have the full detail at the product line with all the necessary information. Today, I will show you a batch of projectors. So it's partially, it's a pallet. It's potentially a partial batch of projectors. So here we have opened one here.
Just now. So we see that there are protective foams.
There's the pouch. It's original packaging. You should know 95% of the products have the original packaging. And when we look at the products, it's intact. I see no signs of wear, no defects. The product is almost new. We even wonder if it's new.
And when I look at the lens, there's a slight bit of dust, but there are no scratches. It's very, very clean.
Donc ça peut, especially don't hesitate to ask us questions using the bubble at the bottom right of your screen. We will be happy to answer. Ask if you want us to call you back about certain lots. Don't forget to enter a delivery address in your Stocklear account to get automatic shipping quotes. We wish you a good study of the lots and happy bidding.